Good morning everyone. Welcome to the computer class. Today we will discuss here the topic tree topology. Okay, see the diagram. Tree topology combines the characteristics of the bus and the star topology. See the diagram. A tree topology is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like branches of a tree. See this is the main backbone cable, and these are nodes. Okay, all the nodes. This is looking like a tree branches, right now, and this is a hub. Hub is a device. With the help of hub, all the nodes are connected. Okay. Now see here the advantages and disadvantages of tree topology. Okay. The first advantage is provide point-to-point wiring. Okay. For individual segments, for each segment or each node. Second, this topology is used for the expansion of an existing network. Next, all computers in this topology, in tree topology, all computers have access to the larger and their immediate networks. Okay, so these are the advantages of tree topology, and there are few disadvantages also. First, in this topology, overall length of each segment is limited by the type of cabling used, and if the backbone line breaks, the entire segment goes down. Okay, this topology is difficult to configure. Fine. Now the next topology is a hybrid topology. This is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is two different types of topologies, which is a mixture of two or more topologies. For example, if in an office in one department ring topology is used and in another star topology is used. Okay, so connecting these two topologies will result in hybrid topology. These two topologies are ring topology and star topology. Okay, features of hybrid topology is it is combination of two or more topologies, inherits the advantages and disadvantages of the topologies included. Okay, so a combination of two or more different topologies make hybrid topology. Okay, now we will go to its advantages and disadvantages. See the advantages of hybrid topology. This topology is very flexible and it is easy to increase the size of network by adding new components without disturbing the nodes. Okay, and disadvantages are it is difficult to manage. Why? Because the different topologies are combinedly together. Okay, and it is very expensive to maintain. So children, these all are about the tree topology and hybrid topology. Okay, thank you.